So let's say you decide your head to start over here and to be like 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks high. If this is the size of your head, then we can say that the total height of the character would be 8 times the size of your head. So if this is 4, then we should count like 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is where the chin ends. So let's write chin, nipples, belly, butt, crotch, fingertips, knees, calf muscles, and the soleum of your feet. Half the distance between your chin and your nipples, so around here, is a line where your middle finger would be if you stretch your hand aside. But we could also say that a total length between your fingertips over here and over there is equal to the length from the upper part of the head to the soleum of your feet. This is 8 times the size of the head. Fingertips from this hand to fingertips of this hand be also 8 times the size of the head. So let's just count. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 to the other side. 1, oh wait. 1, 2, 3. This is the wrong one. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fingertips would be somewhere over here, and if you put your arm down, then the fingertips would be around this area. We could also count from this point, 1, 4. So yeah, this is the middle. We would call it the middle point. Half of the distance between your middle point and the fingertips, so around here, it is the half of this distance, is the location of your elbow. Half of the distance between your elbow and the fingertips is the location of your wrist. So now we could actually draw your wrists. So it will look something like, I'm gonna be precise over here. This is your arm, and this is your elbow, so it goes like something like that. Half the distance between the middle point and the elbow is where the shoulder ends. The same goes over here. This is where your wrist is. This is where your elbow is. This is where your shoulder ends. If we draw this, it would be something like this. So basically, if this is the shoulder here, then this is a shoulder over there, right? So it has to be something like circular. So generally we can say that this is the belly button is the thinnest part of your body, and crotch is the widest part of the bottom. Generally we can just say that the bottom of the male body is about 1.5 length of the head. So the head is 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 over here, 2 over there, 1 here, 1 here. It's 1.5 of the head length. It decreases in width around the belly button, and then it increases around the arm. Half the distance between the crotch and the soleum of your feet is the location of the bottom of your knees. So your knees are somewhere over here. Your legs are going like this. This line, which is the half of the distance between that and that, is where the bottom of the calf muscles are located. So we could draw them like this. Half of the distance between the bottom of your calf lines and the soleum of your feet is where the thinnest part of your feet is located. It basically goes all the way down to this point, and then it increases in size. Ta-da! This is your feet.